Hi there, my name is Morgan White and I teach in the English department at Cal Poly. I've been teaching in the department for 11 years, but this is my first time teaching for Summer Springboard and I cannot wait to teach you. I am going to be teaching instructional and technical editing for Summer Springboard. What that means is we're going to be working with a local company called iFixit to reverse engineer some devices and host instruction manuals for putting them back together on iFixit.com. One of the field trips we will be doing is going down to the iFixit office on Monterey Street in San Luis Obispo, and we're going to check out some devices like printers, phones, laptops, and we're going to deconstruct the devices. So we're going to take them apart, put them back together, and reverse engineer them by documenting the process using photography. You're going to be working in teams of 3 or 4 other students, and you'll be getting some transferable skills like group communication, communication with local companies, and then also some technical editing skills like grammar and communication to global audiences. I cannot wait to teach you. Thank you.